Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing the developments related to the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Let's get started if you're ready. As you know, the crypto world is closely following the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Grayscale Investment, a leading cryptocurrency asset management company, had applied to the court to review the decision after the SEC rejected the request to convert the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC product into a spot Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale won the case, overturning the SEC's previous decision. This decision was indeed significant. Following the decision, Bitcoin experienced an increase in value, but it has not yet reached the expected levels. This is because the Bitcoin Spot ETF has not been approved yet. If the Bitcoin Spot ETF gets approved, we might be looking at an incredible bull market ahead. There are some important announcements regarding the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Let's take a look at these announcements. Former SEC chair says the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF is inevitable. CNBC's Anthony Pompliano said that Bitcoin ETF will be approved and billions of dollars will enter the market. Grayscale's chief legal officer says the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs are a matter of when, not a matter of if. JP Morgan says SEC will likely be forced to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs following Grayscale's victory in court. These statements are truly special and valuable. As individuals closely following the crypto world, we are eagerly awaiting the approval of the Bitcoin Spot ETF and preparing for a potential bull season. That's all for now. I anticipate great developments in the coming days, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.